Hello viewers, I am Mahesh Kumar Sharma, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Law and Governance, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will be discuss very important topic of relationship between constitutional law and administrative law. There are significant difference between administrative law and constitutional law. A constitution is the supreme law of the land. Now, law A abuse above the constitution and hence must satisfy its provision and not be in its violation. Administrative law hence is subordinate to constitutional law. In other words, while constitution is the genus and administrative law is a species. Constitutional deal with the structure of the state and its various organ. Administrative law, on the other hand, deal only with the administration. While Constitution touches all branches of law and deal with general principle relating to organization and power of the various organs of the state. Administrative law deals only with the powers and functions of the administrative authorities. Simply seeking, the administrative authorities should first follow the constitution and then work as per the administrative law. Thank you.